like 4, 5, 6 days maybe since he... Actually, I was going to play a cow. Let's go 92, 92, 3 this game. It's a little bit different. Let's go this way and take and try to go this way. Take. This isn't really what I want to do, but my opponent just blunders. This is another thing that at the beginner levels, like, these weird and wacky opening systems work very, very well, because your opponent's, like, they're really hardwired to play certain moves, and, like, my opponent just hung a bishop right out of the opening. They get 8 in our chess for the 42 months. They get Astro Bob. Thank you so much to Mate Proof. Thanks so much to D-Town. They get 8 and 48 months. Thank you for the 4 years, man. Let's take the pawn on G7. Hit the rook on H8. Nothing can stop Tyler 1, not even himself. Yeah. Yeah. But I mean, the thing I was trying to say about chess is that the problem is when you get hard stuck, you have to change something. That's the problem. Like, it's not like, say, Fortnite, for example. Like, I'll just use Fortnite as an example. But, like, you know, if I play Fortnite, assuming that I'm fresh and I'm not dead tired, but if I play Fortnite over and over again, like, learning the mechanics, that's how I'm going to continue to improve the game. But that's not how chess works. At some point, the pattern recognition only takes you so far, and you have to do really serious studying as well. That's the problem. Chess is not a game that you can just keep grinding. You hit that wall, and then you have to change things. Do I have any digital watches? I have a Rolex. I have a Rado. Those are obviously not digital watches, so I don't, so no, I don't think I actually have a digital watch. Let's go check and hit the king. The Rolex, I didn't buy it, you guys, so I got it as a gift when I won a chess tournament. Let's just drop the queen back, bring the rooks to the center, and we're gonna attack him with the 2 towers. I think there's a Res Blade for the 25 months. Where's the wall around 1600? Well, online and over the board are different. So if I use the scale to plus minus 400 roughly, so say Tyler's 1400, which is about 1000 over the board, that sounds like a pretty reasonable spot that you will hit your first wall in the game of chess. If you're taking it very seriously, especially as a kid, that seems like the spot where you will. So I'm gonna go d5 and open up the center of the board immediately here. Let's go d6. Now I hit the pawn. I've got knight e7. Basically, I just want to take all the space in the center of the board and checkmate him. So it goes rook c8, which knight e7 is good. Rook d1 is also very good. I just want to go for simple play here. Okay, let's hit the rook here. Do I think Tyler would ever reach 2K OTB? Zero chance. Zero chance. No. 2,000 over the board is like, that's 2,400 online. That's like very serious, you guys. I mean, that's I don't think people realize just how difficult that is. Let's take the rook, take the queen, and checkmate him. Yeah, I mean that's I mean, very few people in chess will even make it that far. So he sacks the rook. Let's take with the king and hide in the corner. Is that like Levy level? No, Levy is 20 close to 2,400 over the board, which online can translate anywhere from like 27ish to like even 2,950. So, yeah, I mean it's completely different. Let's checkmate. Let's keep going with